Former Newfoundland and Labrador Finance Minister Cathy Bennett says she was subjected to bullying while she was in the Liberal caucus. The information comes as two cabinet ministers were removed from their posts following complaints of bullying. NTV's Mike Connors has the latest.
The allegations keep coming out. Yesterday, it was Education Minister Dale Kirby who was removed from the cabinet and the caucus after other Liberal backbenchers had apparently approached the Premier and complained. Now, again, the Premier said, similar to the Eddie Joyce case last week, that the complaints are not physical or sexual in nature, but rather that they had to do with behaviour and conduct. So both of those former cabinet ministers are now sitting as independents on the other side of the House. And again, the news keeps developing. Even this morning, former Finance Minister Cathy Bennett, who resigned from cabinet last summer, citing personal reasons at the time. Well, she's now come forward explaining exactly why she stepped out of cabinet. And she says that while she was in cabinet, she was experiencing things like intimidation and isolation, and even what she called mild gaslighting while she was serving in the cabinet. And yet more Liberal backbenchers are complaining today. Another female Liberal backbencher has actually gone to the police, complaining about treatment on Twitter and expressing concerns for her safety. And a male Liberal backbencher has now also filed complaints with the Premier's office against former ministers Kirby and Joyce, the two ministers who were removed last week. So the developments keep coming fast and furious.
All right, Mike. NTV's Mike Connors reporting from St. John's, Newfoundland.